Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 8 May Friday 2026. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers number 7, number 9, number 16, number 31, number 36, number 42. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 7, number 9, number 16, number 31, number 36, number 42. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 12, number 17, number 28, number 39, number 48, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 12, number 17, number 28, number 39, number 48, number 49. Today lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 18 and number 36, number 38, number 43. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 9, number 18, number 36, number 38, number 43. Now tea time prediction for Friday 8 May 2026. Now tea time single prediction numbers number 1, number 7, number 9, number 18, number 29, number 35. Today tea time single prediction number repeat number 1, number 7, number 9, number 18, number 29, number 35. Today time second prediction numbers number 11, number 19, number 32, number 38, number 47, number 48. Today time second prediction number repeat number 11, number 19, number 29, number 38, number 47, number 48. Today time bonus ball numbers number 14, number 32, number 36, number 41. Now tea time bonus ball number repeat number 14, number 32, number 36, number 41. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Next notification, please hide my